Greeting guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for non-native speakers. If it's the first time you guys watch me, subscribe my channel too and follow me with this page on Facebook. Today we're going to start our first class in Arabic grammar. If you are still interested to learn Arabic grammar from beginning to an advanced level inshallah, follow me and don't forget to share this video to all your friends that are interested to learn Arabic from A to Z. So let's get started. Greeting guys. Today our first class of Arabic grammar. Okay? So today we're going to start the first thing in Arabic grammar. Something is called أقسام. Wait a minute. أقسام الكلمة. أقسام الكلمة. Okay. كلمة, that means the types of word. كلمة, they are 3 types. The first one, الاسم. الاسم, that means noun. Okay, that means noun. The next one, الفعل. الفعل. فعل, that means verb. Last one, الحرف. حرف, that means letter. Okay, so here أقسام الكلمة, the types of word. We have 3 types. The first one, الاسم, noun. The second one, الفعل, verb. The last one, الحرف, letter. And each one of them, okay, have also a types. You know, اسم just contain the types inside it. And verb also, الفعل أيضا. And الحرف, letter, it's also have types. Okay, so let's get started with the first one, الاسم. الاسم, and you have to know this as well. So الاسم, if you want this word just اسم, I mean noun or no, I'm going to tell you then the concept of this. الاسم هو كل ما دل على اسم إنسان أو حيوان أو نبات أو جماد أو صفة. What does it mean in Arabic or in English? Just first, take a screenshot in this, please, because I'm going to explain one by one after each other. So, what does mean اسم إنسان? The first one, ما دل, we said ما دل على اسم إنسان, right? So, إنسان, that means human. Human, okay? So, ما دل اسم إنسان, like Muhammad. So, Muhammad, this is name إنسان. So, this is اسم, noun. Khalid. Khalid is also name of humans. So, this is اسم. اسم. And like Khadija, it's also name of girl. So this insan, right? So this is the first one. ما دل على اسم إنسان. The second one, حيوان. حيوان. حيوان, that means animal. Animal, okay? ما دل على اسم حيوان. So like what? Like أسد. أسد, that means lion, okay? And فيل. فيل, that means elephant. So this also name of حيوان. So this is a name, اسم. And like also bird. This ism حيوان also. Okay. اسم. bird that means عصفور. 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 and زرافة. زرافة. This also name of giraffe. Giraffe. زرافة. Giraffe. So we explain right now that first two types of the names. So we said الاسم ما دل على اسم إنسان أو حيوان أو نبات أو جماد and أو صفة. So we explain the first two one, اسم إنسان, human, and حيوان, two. Okay? Amazing. So number 3, جماد. جماد, everything just not talk. I mean, doesn't talk, no speaking, no feelings, anything of this. جماد like باب. باب. باب, that means door. Okay? And like also like ساعة. ساعة, that means clock. Okay? Clock. And also like سرير. سرير, mean bed. So this is جماد. This is جماد, no talking, no feelings. Number 3 of the names, the types of names. I mean علامات الاسم, or I'm sorry, أقسام الاسم. اسم types, noun types. Number 4, نبات. نبات and planet. Okay? Like وردة. وردة. وردة that means rose. This اسم نبات. اسم نبات. So it's noun. It's noun. وردة. وردة. Okay? And also like زهرة. زهرة, it's also, you know, same thing like rose also. زهرة. زهرة. And like تفاح. تفاح, that means apple. Okay? So it's also names of nabat, I mean nabat, planet, planet. Number 5, next one, we said اسم إنسان, اسم إنسان, حيوان, nabat, جماد, 5 صفة. صفة, that mean, you know, adjective. 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 Like what? Like نشيط. 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 نشيط, that mean, you know, he's a good one, like sportist, a sport man. Okay? And like جميل. جميل, that means beautiful. 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 Beautiful, that means جميل. جميل. So it's adjective. So it's noun. It's noun. Okay? And also like what? Like طويل. طويل. I mean tall. He's tall man. If we say this man is very tall, it's long. طويل. طويل, it's also adjective. So let me to give you a summary of this. So the types of nouns, 5 types. إنسان, like Muhammad. حيوان, like أسد. نبات, like تفاح. جماد, like ساعة. ساعة, clock. And صفة, like, you know, we said جميل, beautiful. This is the summary of our class. If you like our classes, don't wait to give me to start to follow me and subscribe my channel to YouTube and follow me on this page and Facebook. So see you inshallah at the next class. Assalamu alaikum.